Hmm? Are we there yet? I can't believe a short nap made me feel this groggy. It was that long? We've been driving since like forever, and we're still not there? I thought you were reading a new interesting novel. Why is it this travel memoir again? How many times have you read it? Aren't you tired of it? What places have you marked? Let me see. Solaris. That's a beautiful name. It sounds really nice. When should we go? This place looks like it's near Lincoln City. We could go on a weekend. You're not that busy, yeah? I've made up my mind. I'm going to start shopping for hiking gear. We'll leave once everything arrives, cutie. Traveling should be spontaneous if you want to go anywhere. You could have already reached your destination in the time you spent planning.
Unable to obtain information about your location. Please reselect your destination.
Did we go the wrong way? If you're that confident, then we've discovered a new territory that hasn't been touched by human civilization yet. Look, a car stopped up ahead. The paint on these cars is peeled off. Who knows how long they've been weathering the elements? There's something even stranger up ahead. Do you see that baby stroller? We probably haven't stumbled into the ruins of human civilization. It's actually a place people left behind and forgot about. What's going on? Judging by these tourist attraction posters and visitor notices on the walls, we're in the right place. But someone pressed the pause button on time overnight. Wanderers. That explains it. Once they appear, the scenic lakes and mountains, hot springs, and local cuisine instantly vanish. People back then must have fled in a frantic, terrified rush, so they left behind whatever was left behind. What's this made of? It's lightweight and collapsible. It's actually 10 times cheaper than what I bought online. If I had known, I wouldn't have bought the equipment ahead of time. I could have just gotten everything ready-made. Now it's very, very cute. Maybe the monkeys live on the mountain. We can look for them when we go hiking. Huh? You look just as clueless as this cutie patootie. What do you mean? Of course we're not heading back. The city has been evacuated, but the scenery should still be here. Wouldn't it be a waste if we don't hike and watch the sunrise? We're already here. If we go back now, that means you spent your entire day traveling. And after resting, you'll be working again. Are you sure that's how you want to spend your vacation? We just need to find somewhere to spend the night. That's not okay, cutie. Accommodations are an important part of the traveling experience. We can't settle for the bare minimum. There's a guest house here. It's better than being soaked like a drowned rat, yeah? It's clean enough, but I'm not sure if there's anything we can actually use. Ooh, nice. There are several scented candles here. At least we'll have some light. Look at this. It's the homeowner's handbook. The homeowner was probably a tour guide. Everything she recorded is related to guests' arrival dates, what their needs were, stuff like that. May 16th. A newlywed couple. Note: they wanted to take a few simple photos by the lakeside at sunset. Need to bring reflectors and a tripod. May 20th. A family of 4. Note: the old gentleman is 70 years old. Need to prepare hiking sticks, a thermos, and breakfast. A hospitable homeowner like this probably wouldn't mind if we stayed the night. They look like they were done on a whim, yet every single one is so beautiful that it could rival the photographs a professional would take. That travel memoir was also published 10 years ago. Exact same year. I'm here. What did you see? You kept saying, Raphael, Raphael. I didn't think you'd call out to me when you were scared. It's okay now. It was a hallucination. None of it was real. Don't be afraid. I'm here. The red flowers are the reason why no one has returned. The crystals on the flower petals and stamens are from toxins the Wanderers released. Whether it's the pollen or the fragrance, both cause significant damage to human nerves. People end up trapped in painful hallucinations they can't escape from. If it stops raining tomorrow, should we go hiking to watch the sunrise? But the sunrise here isn't what it used to be. I wonder what it would be like to look at the city from the mountain. If the rain is gone by the time we wake up, we can decide then. What do you think? I was just thinking about waking you up. A spectacular sight like this isn't something you see every day. I couldn't sleep. When I woke up and saw these flowers, I felt uncomfortable. These flowers are beautiful. It's a shame that the hallucinations they bring are far from being pleasant, though. So after thinking it over, I decided it's better to burn them. I'll be eliminating any possible troubles in the future. Are you curious about what I saw in the hallucinations? Don't worry, I already forgot about it. And yeah, they're all fake, but some of them were real. At the very least, I'm certain about one thing. You won't let any tragedy happen between us, so everything will be fine. I'll just refuse to believe the hallucinations are my reality. I invited you to see the sunrise with me, and this is the sunrise. Of course, we're already here, right? It's fine. It's already over. I just don't know when the rain will go away. But it's already 2. Fine. I'll do the sunrise a favor and try getting up early for once. I knew the rain wasn't going to stop anytime soon. There was no point in making you wake up early just so you could get soaked. Look at the clouds. The sunrise is always there. It's just hiding behind them. Come on, let's say hello. I wonder what Solaris's former residents are doing right now. But I think they must be waiting for this sunrise too. It's a good thing that the hunters didn't hand this city over to the wanderers. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to sit here and watch the sunrise. Unfortunately, the weather's not cooperating today. We'll have to leave the sunrise for future visitors. I already knew that'd be the case. Note: just ask this person for the money. You can't just buy things and not pay for them. I never take other people's stuff for free. Let's leave this painting here for the owner. It's to thank her for letting us stay the night. Come on, let's go home.